I'm Steve Costa. I am the facilities housing manager for UC Merced. All the maintenance, cleaning, everything to do with housing and dorm life basically here at UC Merced. We're a pretty rural area, so a lot of our students do come from about 6-8 hours away, a lot of them out of state. They can't just go see their family on the weekends. So we try to give them the best support they can possibly have to make them feel at home, feel comfortable. One policy that we did initiate was emotional support animals on campus and all dorm rooms for students. A lot of them are bringing animals they've had since they were kids, little kids at home, and they're able to bring that animal with them for their college experience, gives them that little piece of home and that little piece of normalcy. So the biggest effect of having an animal in dorm rooms and emotional support animals is the effect that it has on our flooring and mainly our carpets. Once that urine gets underneath the carpet, gets on the concrete, we can't get that smell out of that room. And not only do we replace the carpet, we have to pull the carpet out, sanitize the concrete, because we've done it. If you don't sanitize that concrete, once that smell's on there, that urine does not go away. Sanitize that concrete and put new carpet in. Every year, the amount of rooms we are doing every summer, it keeps doubling and doubling. So when it came to the carpet tile, that wasn't a sustainable process for us. We had some rooms where carpet tile was 2 years old, 3 years old, that was having to be replaced. And all because of animal urine. And there was just no way of getting that smell off of it. So we decided to try the new Powerbond to see how that worked. In a building this size, a 200-bedroom dorm room building, with carpet tile, we'd had to have replaced probably 15% of the rooms, the carpets. Where now a quick cleaning brought the carpets back to brand new. So we went through and we sampled a couple rooms which housed emotional support animals for an entire academic year. And we did some bioburden tests on there and found to have a lot of high numbers in certain areas of the room from all the animal urine. And then after a quick cleaning, we were able to lower those numbers dramatically. Some people would think coming in that carpet may not be your best choice when it comes to changing your policy to allowing emotional support animals on campus. But once we found this product, we found that we were able to keep the acoustics and also be able to provide the cleanliness and the service without the animal stress that normal carpets would have.